Welcome back to Sunday Night in America. In the aftermath of murdered school children in Texas, Congress passed legislation designed in part to explore red flag laws. There was opposition, with critics saying the law violates due process, which begs the question, what does that term mean? If politicians and reporters are going to use certain terms and phrases, they should know what those words mean. And as we've discussed before, due process is not a math equation. It's not a number or a rigid paradigm. It's a legal standard which ebbs and flows depending on what's at stake. Our Constitution makes it clear, twice in fact, no person can be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process. But that also means a person can be deprived of life, liberty, and property if due process is given. Due process applies to death penalty trials and being passed over for a promotion at work. But there's a big difference in what that due process looks like. When it comes to your life, due process is rigorous, as you would expect. There must be a credible accusation of a serious crime, a guilty verdict beyond a reasonable doubt. The jury votes twice, unlimited resources for your defense, and decades of appeals. There's a lot of due process when it comes to your life. What about your liberty, your property, your job? If you're fired from a government job, you're entitled to due process, but that doesn't include 2 jury trials, unlimited resources, and government-funded lawyers. Due process is different depending on what government is trying to do. The question then becomes, what should due process look like if a family member or law enforcement officer credibly believes someone is a threat to themselves or others? Would we rather due process come before the shooting in front of a judge, or would we rather due process come after a mass shooting in a death penalty trial for the murder of school children?
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.